जय शिला प्रभुपाद, Hare Krishna Nama Prabhu ki Jai, and welcome all of you to the 53rd session of Soulful Japa. We have almost completed 4 weeks of practice of mindful japa. Mindful japa is the first discipline in japa. It is not the final. Several times I said that this is just the beginning, and I called this as Tapomaya Japa because there is little tapas in it to watch the mind and engage our doing effort and knowing effort, Kriya Chesta and Jnana Chesta, to fix the mind again on the Nama Prabhu. So this was what we have been practicing. And for this, Srila Prabhupada's golden quote of chant and hear exactly the same name. And elaborately we discussed that concurrent chanting and hearing the same name was the golden commands of Srila Prabhupada for mindful japa. Chant and hear that very chanted name. While you chant, you must hear. When you chant, you must hear. As soon as you chant, you should hear. These are the kind of commands that Prabhupada has given us. And we all experienced tremendous change in our japa due to the concurrent chanting come hearing. And it was planned that 30 days, if we go on doing it, then the old mind slice will mold old mind slice of spaced out mindless chanting will become deactivated, and your new mind slice will come in place. Whenever you chant, you will chant and hear that very sound. That is the purpose of the linking direction that from the background mind. Prabhupada's command or the printout that we kept for practice of these codes was actually helping my foreground mind to link the Kriya Chesta and Jnana Chesta on the currently manifesting Nama. So this was what we have been doing, and result of it, as I said, and as you all experienced, is that there is a Divya Atma Chesta Ruchi. There is a energy, doing energy and a knowing energy. And because to do something, to know something from our heart, we give this chesta, Kriya Chesta and Jnana Chesta. And Jnana Chesta and Kriya Chesta coming from the heart. When we do a Divya or a transcendental activity of serving God Himself, then there is a Divya or a divine taste of doing and knowing. That divine taste of doing and knowing is a mercy of the Nama Prabhu. It's a divine. Divine means it's not from you. It's a divine. So that adds on to our this thing, and that ensures that we want to hear one more. We want to hear. So even for mindful japa to become successful, it's only by the mercy of the Nama Prabhu you can become successful. Because by concurrent chanting and hearing, you are pleasing the Nama Prabhu. Therefore, it is possible. Otherwise, any activity, you have to, for instance, in the mind wants to go into, wherever mind goes, wherever there is rasa, is it not? Both, that means that the Jnana Chesta, Kriya Chesta, Jnana Chesta, doing and knowing will always go wherever there is taste. And anywhere there is no taste, we need a discipline, self-control to keep it there, attention. By willpower, they have to come back and hold it there by willpower. Now, your willpower must be so much that it should resist the pulling of that rasa. This is if you want to concentrate on something against so many rasas. So, in the same way, our mind is continuously having thinking rasa, this rasa, kala, during japa time, all these things are coming in our mind. And without willpower, we are able to hold the attention. Why? Because of this Divya Cheshta Ruchi that is coming from the Nama Prabhu. And you have all experienced that after chanting so many years, you never felt so smoothly, tirelessly you are chanting. This is a symptom. Tirelessly you could chant. Not only tirelessly, energetically you could chant. Okay. Now this is the first stage of development of our towards soulful japa, is mindful japa. Now earlier I had next after mindful japa, I had in my module 4, I had soulful japa, mindless japa, mindful japa and soulful japa I had given. But today I had another realization. Something that I had included in soulful japa step 1, I separated out and gave the title spiritful japa. In fact, that I had already explained that spiritful japa in volume in module 28, which I asked you to read today and come. So I had given that spiritful, but now when I was just reading that again today morning, I thought that yes, this is actually a little different from soulful japa. It's a stage between mindful japa and soulful japa, which is called spiritful japa. So just put that slide. See, we have mindless japa where the mind is wandering everywhere. Then we have mindful japa. Then there is spiritful japa. Then we go into soulful japa. Next slide. How our training goes, that's why I am explaining this. Mindless japa, no locking of attention. Mindful japa, attention is locked by concurrent chanting come hearing, which we have practiced now. Spiritful japa, attention is locked with delight to chant, relish to hear, enthusiasm to task, not taste, task. Soulful japa is spiritful japa with different feelings of personal relationship with Nama Prabhu. So, spiritful japa is what now we are going to go into next phase, is spiritful japa. Spiritful japa is where you give from your heart something else other than chesta. What is that? Delight to chant and a relish to hear. I will explain these things. Delight is a feeling, relish is a feeling, enthusiasm is a feeling. So in spiritful japa, that's the spirit of doing japa, spirit. That means that drives japa. Spirit drives body, right? Spirit drives mind. Spirit drives intelligence. So this is what drives, spirit drives our japa. So this is something that also we give from, just like Atma Chesta, it is coming from our heart. Delight is coming from our heart. Relish is coming from our heart. Enthusiasm is coming from our heart. It is our contribution. Okay, that I will explain to you more in detail today. You will have some doubts. We will not only today's session. We will have to. So we'll have to talk today. We are going to introduce this tasking. Okay, in that connection, we are going to bring out uh, the role of these feelings of delight, relish, and enthusiasm. We are going to bring it out. So that's all. Yeah. Okay. So now I want to talk about this uh, tasking delight. Before tasking delight, already we have this chanting delight. I'm giving the word delight to it. That energy, that feel good, or that wanting to chant the Lord's name because it's the Lord's name. That is something that is going to um, be introduced to our mindful japa. One more thing is about hearing. Huh? To hear, that means we already said that chanting is like welcoming the Lord. So there is a feeling in welcoming. You delightfully welcome. Is it not? If you invite somebody to your house, you delightfully welcome him. Not that you are, like a very or somehow, okay, I have to invite them. Not like that. You delightfully invite them. Two ways you can do. Delightfully you can invite them, or some social obligation is there. We have to call them, let them come. No, it's not like that. You have to delightfully call them. So, in the same way, the holy name is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Supreme Personality. There is no person superior to Him. So, that Supreme Personality of Godhead, we also used another important word which brings out a kind of we can relate with that feeling. What is that? Like a VIP, IP. So infinite V's, IP. So Krishna is like a IIP, most important person, infinitely important person. Now suppose in your house, someone comes, let's say somebody whom you admire so much, and he's a role model for you. He comes to your house. You'll be delighted. It's not that you will be delighted to receive him. And you will relish his association. You will want to relish his association. You want to hear from him, or you want to relish his association. And then you want to be very enthusiastic till he leaves. You want to be enthusiastic to serve him, so that there is a relationship built. There is a pleasure of serving him. So take this, understand these three things. One is delightfully welcoming, relishing the association, enthusiastically serving. Three things. So these three things where does this fit in our japa practically? In, in our case, chanting is welcoming the Lord, the infinitely important person in this universe, in this, forget this universe, in the whole existence. Klanta Kodi, Brahmanda Nayaka, the Lord of Koti Koti Brahmandas, and the Lord of beyond that also, Vaikuntha Loka, beyond that also, Golok, Vrindavan, that Lord, and Radharani, they are descending on our tongue. The Shastra says so. They are free to do so, not because we are very qualified. It so happens that our good luck. We are born in this time, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu distributing this Radha Krishna Prema, and therefore, in the Nama Rupa, they are incarnated very mercifully on our tongues. So, on knowing this, the Lord is on my tongue. The Shraddha is important. Shraddha is important. We already covered not only Shraddha part, we also covered how to feel His presence by feeling His mind. So having put these things in place in your mind, that the Lord is, the fact that the Lord is descended and is present before me, then the feeling that is relevant to an infinitely important person who has come before you, not only that, he is all loving, all compassionate, that person has come. So should I not receive him delightfully? Yes, that means we should chant delightfully. Any time we chant Krishna, we should chant delightfully. All those ritualistic chanting is all gone. I did not know this much, the value of this Lord descending on my tongue, this undeniable fact. How can I not delightfully say Krishna? How can I not delightfully say Hare? How can I not delightfully utter Rama? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Then, how can I not relish his association? He has come, I should relish his association. Relish means look forward with some hope for something. Is it not? That is relishing. So relishing in the fact that I am able to hear, I am able to associate. So this hearing is associated with relishing. Where does enthusiasm come? Enthusiasm comes when you chant and you hear. Chant delightfully, and when you hear, you relish hearing with hope. Relish with hope on each bead, each Mahamantra. Then it's like hearing is like drinking. Yesterday I told you. Drinking through the ears. Drinking by hearing is like drinking the Satchidananda Nama. So I'm just going to give you an analogy that if you get a nice drink, each sip you will taste. One sip, one more sip, one more sip. After one sip, you feel very good and you want one more sip. Again you feel good, you want one more sip. So you will be very enthusiastic in drinking the glass full of juice. Is it not? You want, after one, you don't want, you want one more, one more, one more, one more, enthusiasm. So, in the same way, this is how the our link between this delightfully chanting, relishfully hearing, and enthusiastically tasking. Okay. Your foreground mind, chanting and hearing concurrently. Your background mind is delightful and is hopeful, seeking association when you hear. These are all feelings, simultaneous feelings, or one feeling one time, another feeling another time. These are not simultaneous. But slowly it becomes almost simultaneous. Feelings become a more compound feeling. It becomes hearing and chanting together. The whole welcoming and it's a single feeling. It becomes welcoming and relishing is association and excitement of both, and enthusiasm to go on one after the other. Now, how do we train this? Doing japa, concurrent mindful japa you have been doing. I did not tell you much about going from one beat to another beat. I did not tell. All this so far, mindful japa, our focus was on chanting and hearing, chanting and hearing. That means it was focusing only on one bead. What you should do on one bead. What are you expected to do on one bead? And then because you have trained yourself japa, you know what is japa, you went on. Without me telling, I went on. You went on. But somebody who doesn't know anything about japa, I would have taught. Hey, now there is something you have to do after chanting in each bead. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. You should go to the next bead and again chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Then you should go to the next bead, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare. But what is in between? Is there something I have to do? If the person asks, is there something else I have to do when I go from one bead to another bead? Yes, that is called the tasking impulse. The tasking impulse. Why I call it impulse? Because it is a feeling. Your foreground doesn't have to do it. Your foreground mind doesn't have to do. Foreground mind is only concurrently chanting and hearing. Please keep aside, that training is going on. Now today what we are talking about is introducing some training for the most preliminary training for the background mind. To be delightful, to chant, to be hopeful and hopeful and relish, hope to relish the association of the Lord, and then enthusiasm from the background mind. So our shift is now from the foreground to the background. We are not changing anything in the foreground. From tomorrow onwards in your practice, because second phase of your practice continues another 60 days, right? The mindful japa continues 60 days. Now in this 60 days, again, I don't want you to disturb your foreground mind. I want you to know what is this tasking, all these things, so that you will start, triggering this impulse. Triggering. Your foreground mind should trigger in the beginning. So, okay, now, next 1 week or next 30 days, you will also trigger this. Trigger means not each bead you don't have to trigger. That between the bead, what is the feeling that you should have? I will read out that to you. Okay. This is called spiritual japa. Sorry, spiritful japa. It's in my module 19, spiritful japa. First, mindful japa we have already completed. Level 1 practice we already completed. Level 1, phase 1 we have completed. Another 60 days it will go on. But meantime, this background, enriching the background with delight, relish and enthusiasm is going to be introduced in the next. For next 1 week, I want you to practice this. What is that practice? First of all, next 1 week, I want you to read module 28, 29, 30 and understand nicely, which we'll be also talking. In each session, I'll be talking today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I'll be talking. And what will that do? That is going to introduce in you are going to feed into your subconscious mind the reasons why you should be delightful. I mean, I cannot be artificially delightful. I cannot be artificially relish association. I should have reasons. I cannot artificially be enthusiastic. And the Lord also is very pleased only when you are doing it happily. Just like they say, no, if you want to invite me in your house, you please do heartfully, no? Why you are doing it, just because you have obligation or something? Do it heartfully. Anybody, when he sees that you are heartfully inviting him, he is very happy. So in the same way, we should heartfully invite the Lord. Heartfully invite the Lord. That is a practice that we are going to do for the next week. Now hear very carefully. This practice is not meant for disturbing your foreground mind. Foreground mind, 90% it is engaged in chanting and hearing, chanting and hearing, chanting and hearing, along with the background direction, which is almost trained now. About 10% of your time, 10% of your time in each round, you can trigger this feeling. Oh, just what is the triggering? Nothing. That feeling that I want to drink, I want to take one more sip. And once you take a sip of the drink, you delightfully drink. And then I want to drink one more. I want to drink one more. I want to drink one more. So, I'm trying to, figuratively explain to you the kind of feeling. Because now we are talking about feeling. Okay. Consider hearing like your heart drinking nama through the process of hearing. It's like drinking nama. Like you drink a juice through the mouth. You drink through hearing. Okay. You start your mala with a desire to sip 108 times soul drink of nama. You start with your target. A target is called sadhya. What is your sadhya? Now I am starting my japa, 108 or into 16 rounds. This is my sadhya. I am determined. I am sitting for this now. This is what I want to achieve. Sadhya means what you want to achieve. So because I told you, task is connected to achieving pleasure. So therefore, there has to be a goal. When you start beat number 1, that is why our acharyas have invented this mala, japa mala. And there is a lot of spiritual technology involved in all these things. Lot of things it triggers in our whole system. That is why they have introduced this mala. So mala has a big role, counting has a big role. The Goswami says Sankhya Purvaka japa you should do. Sankhya Purvaka means counting. By counting and doing. So Then you start your mala with a desire to sip 108 times the soul drink of Nama. First finish chanting, come hearing on the first beat. I'm talking about a micro process that happens in your mind. First finish chanting, come hearing on the first beat, then release quick microsecond feeling of doing delight of success in drinking, in chanting and in hearing, okay, in sipping. And not only that, these are not complicated things. Once you like something, you drink, immediately there's one more I want comes. So it's a thirst for one more. Now we are going to discuss what are the reasons for these six, okay? It is not simply, but what is the training? Because you already know about Krishna consciousness, you are not very new to it. Therefore, I'm just going directly to the practice and we'll support it later on. You'll have a lot of doubts also. It all sounds to be very, I am introducing this delight simply. I don't really feel delight, so why should I give delight? I don't really relish the Nama's taste, Nama Ruchi. I'm not relishing. So am I not being artificial and relishing? All these questions we are going to answer tomorrow, today and tomorrow. So, Model 28. Yes. So the context I have given you is something that will make you understand this delight and relish. Relish with hope. Delight. Delight to do. Relish association with hope. What is the hope? Why do you relish? God has come by His association. All the energies of purification is going to come into me. So there is so much hope. There is so much to look forward to by this association. So therefore there is a relish in this association. And then as you go on chanting one after the other, you feel enthusiasm. Now for enthusiasm, I'll give you another analogy. See, all these things are feelings, so I have to give you some template like VIP, IIP. I give you a template where you know that template of that feeling, and because we need to give this feeling means you need to have same. We have got now absolute knowledge that Krishna comes down, and who is Krishna, who is he is the most important person, and he descends on my, he is actually on my, come just for me. So once there is a realization of these facts with faith, then these feelings are natural. You won't do japa ritualistically. Oh, I have to do my 16 rounds japa. No problem. That is very good, because you are not awakened this kind of feelings. That means Shraddha has not come into you, that God is right with you. If you knew that, why would you do ritualistically? I should do. So it's a neophyte. It's a beginning. Ritualistically, let me do 16 rounds. But we have to progress beyond that. We have to delightfully do. With hope, we should relish His association. And with enthusiasm, we should do bead after bead after bead after bead, enthusiasm. Suppose somebody told you, I'll come back to practice towards the end, tasking. I'm not completed. Now let me Tell about these three feelings more. Suppose somebody told you, not somebody, let's say the king announces to his subjects, I have a room full of currency. Okay. Now, for next 3 days, anybody can come in with a bag. As much as you want, you can pick up and go. But one thing, you have to put one currency at a time in the bag. You have to pick up one currency. You have to pick up one currency at a time and put in your bag. Not, you cannot take so many notes and put inside. Any number you can put, you can take it. Okay, people get very excited or not? They get excited. Arey, I'm getting free. They go in big bags, one after the other, one. As they're putting one after the other, they're so enthusiastic because each is giving them, so much of pleasure. One more I got. Oh, half the bag is full. Now put some more. Let me get some. You see the situation? Is our situation anyway different? Yes, it is different. It is not rupee, it is not currency. Each nama Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare goes into your eternal bank account. Krishna never forgets that one chant. And in Kali Yuga, is just like the king announced next 3 days. In the same way, Kali Yuga, Lord has announced. Kali Kale, Nama Rupe, Krishna Avatara. Like one currency. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Next currency. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare. Will you not want to accumulate more and more and more and more and more and more? If you know the value. Is this value artificial? No. Whole Shastra is revealing this. You are doing and knowing, you are doing and hearing one Nama is an eternal wealth for your soul. And the soul, for soul, everything spiritual means it's always ever expanding. So I want more. Take more. Nama is saying any number of times you chant and they're coming, giving you the association. Drink. One more sip. Drink. Get drunk with Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare. This feeling, is enthusiasm will come or not, naturally. What did I say yesterday? Behind every feeling there is a thought. If the thought is not there, if you're not delightful, you don't have delightful thoughts that lead to delight. Now I'm trying to introduce these absolute thoughts, why you should be delightful, why you should relish hearing, why you should relish enthusiastically repeating. That means enthusiastically tasking. Why you should do it? Very few, just the few facts itself. One analogy I gave you about the most important personality coming down. And the great opportunity in Kali Yuga for us to accumulate our spiritual wealth. The eternal being in this body has got a rare opportunity to drink the holy name of the Lord and strengthen his soul, strengthen his, awaken his spiritual mind, awaken his all lying fasting. How many millions of lives our soul is fasting. Just like a man is fasting, all his senses are all dead, not awake at all. In the same way, we are also all spiritually, we are dead in this material world. Dead for our spirit. We are active in a dream. of this material world illusion of thinking I am this body. Everybody else is their body. The world of bodies are, the world of all these false egos of bodies is the world. And the most obvious lie it is. Because all the people are gone. 100 years back, all the souls were in different bodies, they are gone. They are gone, their world is gone. World is in people's head, no. Outside world doesn't change. Outside world, in little technology may change, looks may change, but the energy doesn't change. That doesn't die. They don't die. That dies only at the time of pralaya. But people who are in this body, their drama ends. Similarly, our drama all ends now. At one time or the next few years, you can count years, right? And then our drama ends. So the eternal being, he doesn't end. Eternal being is me. And here I have got an eternal connection, eternal food. Otherwise I have no eternal, I am not feeding my soul at all. Here I am feeding my soul. Why shouldn't I eat nicely? If the taste is there, you go on eating, no? So now this is a God's name, taste also will come. Higher and higher taste will come. Already we are discussing step by step. I am revealing that different tastes which are bona fide tastes that we can taste. So this delight is a taste. Delight is a taste. Relishing with hope, association of the nama, that is hearing, is a taste. Because relish is a feeling. Because in relish there is a hope. I'm going to get something. What is that? Kripa. Kripa apeksha. So chanting with delight, hearing with relish, and enthusiastically repeating. Want more, want more, want more. Not only want more, feel a sense of success. I got more. I got so much. I got so much. I got so much. When you start your mala, there is a reason why. You see, there is a reason why this bead is fat and this bead is thin. Why? You want to build a sense of success. I am moving towards my target. As I feel bead is becoming smaller, I am feeling both success. I have done so much and I am reaching towards my target. Just see, spiritual technology is there. Nobody thinks why these beads are, one is small, one is big. How much, what kind of technologist, spiritual technologist our Goswamis are. So Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare. Remember the template of the king asking people come and collect as many currency as possible, fill your bags with it. That analogy is a poor analogy. We are talking about currency. But here we are talking about one Hare Krishna Mahamantra itself is so valuable according to Shastras. So I should be in bliss. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. 1 over 1 I got. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare. 1 more I got. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Krishna, 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 Krishna, Hare Rama. That feeling of progressive success in completing 108 times. And that success is not only in doing, it is a success in pleasing Guru. I have promised my spiritual master I will do this. See, there is a feeling. As far as tasking is concerned, there is a feeling connected to fulfilling Guru's order. 1 mala is over. When you move your Sakshi mala, no, you feel What you should feel? Sense of success of, oh, I satisfied Prabhupada. Now one more over. I had to satisfy, no, 16 more I had to do. One after the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Your brain gets, because you have kept a target, 16 malas I have to do. We have to involve ourselves in japa like this, then japa becomes very, very exciting. Very, very exciting. There's no question of if delight and all these things are there, if you're training your mind, there's no question of attention going anywhere. That is why I said this mindful japa, even if you have little failed here and there, you're not completed it. Doesn't matter. Once you introduce this tasking pleasure, what is it called? Tasking pleasure. Tasking rasa. Doing japa on one bead is called kriya. Okay? What is doing 108 is called, I already introduced this, karya. So kriya rasa is what now we have introduced so far. You have been experiencing kriya rasa. Without your knowing, you are experiencing karya rasa also. But kriya rasa, 100% you are experiencing because of concurrent chanting, come hearing. That is why there is energy and you are able to do it. Imagine now how much more energy will come now. That is only Divya Kriya Rasa you got. Now, when you feel that I want more and more and more and more and more and more and more, that is called Karya Siddhi Rasa. Siddhi means success. I am progressing, progressive success. 1 mala is over, 2 mala, 3 mala, 4 mala. You are feeling good about it. You should feel good. Every day you should feel good. Every mala you should feel good. Feel good if you don't feed, you will feel good about everything else in the material world. Better we feel good about our japa. Feel a sense of success 1728 times between 2 beats. You feel the tasking impulse. Feel the tasking success. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. So there is something to be done by the background mind between the 2 beats. Now I am coming to the point, because we are talking about training. On the beat, chanting comes hearing by the foreground mind. Before it jumps to the next beat, the background mind should feel a sense of success. The background mind should feel a sense of wanting one more. Feeling takes microseconds, but heart can feel. Tasking pleasure. So this is what this background triggering for that purpose only I have put this out of your 108 chantings. Keep one slip about tasking pleasure. Just simply remind yourself, tasking pleasure. You get a feel of it, what it is. Tasking pleasure. Once in a while, you can that's not your foreground mind can trigger the background feeling. You see, your foreground mind, it's exclusively chanting and hearing. Once in a while, just like we stopped Prabhupada's, while Prabhupada was chanting, when he was giving his command, we stopped. That doesn't make us inattentive. We heard and then again we went on. Isn't it? Similarly, it's a very important thing I am telling. The there are several things in the background we have to trigger. What is the process for triggering? The process for triggering is for that day. Let us say now next 7 days you are going to practice, not 7 days, next 30 days. This is a very fundamental thing, tasking. Chanting, hearing, tasking is fundamental japa. So now tasking pleasure, chanting and hearing individual, then that ruchi I told you comes from the nama. The enthusiasm now between the two beats, that build up of that is also basic mindful japa. It will lock down your japa once for all. Foreground activity. Now background activity of, we have started feeding the background mind is off japa work. That means you have to read, you have to contemplate. Okay, Prabhu told like this. You remember this analogy, and then you have that template of feeling. Then you bring that feeling and chant today with that feeling. Isn't it application? So when you chant, in the beginning, at least you should remember that analogy. That's called triggering. Immediately it triggers, and today's japa will be with tasking pleasure. Kriya, Karya, Siddhi, Rasa. Kriya Rasa is concurrent chanting come hearing. Karya Siddhi means progressive pleasure. Progressive pleasure. This progressive pleasure we have all experienced in so many things. If you are given a job to complete, okay, as you are completing, as you are moving closer and closer and closer, you get thrilled. Yes, I'm going to complete. I'm going to complete. Just like you went for a 5-year degree or something. Then as you are going towards a final year, you're waiting almost. Right? So there is a Siddhi Rasa. Karya Siddhi Rasa. Oh, I completed 5 years finally. Okay, I got a degree, I got a certificate. But in the process also there is. When you're going from first semester, second semester, third semester, as you're going, you're feeling a sense of Karya Siddhi. This is how all our minds work. Let's say you're building a house, foundation happens, and then next happens, then next rooms are coming, then finishing is happening. Without your knowledge, as you are visiting the site one after the day, you are visiting, you are seeing the progress, you feel each day, you feel a sense of, oh, they put the slab today, you feel a sense of Karya Siddhi. Similarly, we are building this 16 rounds every day. You have to feel, you have to feed your mind. Mind you have to feed your mind with Karya Siddhi Rasa. Not ordinary Karya Siddhi. Okay. Excitement to task. So now I'll introduce, now having said this much, because I know some people are allergic to new words and all. But I like, if you like also, you use it. That's why I use Kriya Chesta, all these things. You don't want to just leave it. The words don't complicate life, okay? Words are meant to ease life. Language is meant to ease life. That means you have to get familiar with it, that's all. That's why in each book, in the end, they put glossary. If the author has introduced some words, he will explain what those words are. So anyway, now we are talking about, now, what is the word delight? Delight, I have used the word Hrishtam in Sanskrit. Hrishtam means from Hridaya it is coming. From Hrishtam means I like. I like chanting. I like welcoming the Lord. That means I am delightful in welcoming the Lord. I am delightful to do this. You are giving me a work. I am delightful to do this work. I will do delightfully. Hrishtam. Relish is what? We are relishing Krishna's name. Ahlad. That means just hearing his name, Hearing, just like Prahlad Aglada Daine, we chant. Hearing Prahlad's name, Nrsimhadev gets enlivened. Similarly for us, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ahlad. We feel a relish in hearing his name. And relish, why? Behind relish there is a hope. From his association I am to benefit. I mean, we are neophytes. We always look for benefit. We look for kripa. I'm suffering in this material world. I have to get out of this material world. Krishtam. Then enthusiasm is utsaha. So this is what is. When you chant and Krishna, you have to chant with delight, relish and enthusiasm. Then that chanting is called spiritful japa. Mindless japa, mindful japa, spiritful japa. Because this is nothing to do, it's all your contribution. These feelings are your contribution. Then what is soulful japa? Soulful japa is when there is a relationship feeling between the Lord and me. That's another kind of feelings. This is a feeling that drives our doing and knowing. Whereas those feelings are released between them. Of course, this also Lord sees. Either is he doing delightfully japa or is he doing ritualistically? Or is doing it like a pain. And just like some children, you force them to do their japa. They don't do delightfully. You give a bad taste to them in their childhood, to the holy name. That's why it said you should never force children to chant their rounds. Unless you enthuse them to delightfully do it. Okay, now I think time, we will go for our japa. We'll continue tomorrow on this. Please read 19, module 19. Once again, you read the whole scope of our training. I have modified it a lot. Please read that scope. And then next is we will next. So 19 you read, 28 you read today. Read again. As long as this tasking subject is going on, you please keep reading this. 28, 29 also you read, and so that these things we prepare our background mind. What is this? I will give you one or two analogies, good enough for today's japa, tomorrow morning's japa. Please mix tasking pleasure, because it's a feeling between the you go on, you add that to your adding feeling does not disturb the foreground activity. Foreground activity is not a feeling mind, it is an executing mind. Always remember, foreground mind is an executing mind. Chanting, hearing concurrently, it's an executing mind. Background mind is your feeling mind. Now I am just asking you to activate that feeling mind and do it. Okay. Anyway, some feeling is there. Even when your foreground is doing all these days, 30 days, some feeling is there. What is that feeling? This is japa. I am going to change my quality of japa. It is a feeling in the background. So I am just saying, instead of that feeling, now go into this feeling. Put this feeling for next 30 days and you will feel, you come back and you will feel absolutely mind does not go anywhere else. Mindful plus spiritful japa, it's super lock of attention. Means that much you get connected. Okay, put on the japa.
Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna.
The process is that you chant Hare Krishna and exactly the same sound you hear.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare.
You simply hear. When you say Hare Krishna, you try to hear the very sound.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare.
You simply chant Hare Krishna and try to hear the sound. That's all.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare.
When you chant, you must hear also.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare.
While chanting, you must hear. Hare Krishna, you must give attention to hear.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare.
As soon as you chant Hare Krishna, you hear it, then your mind becomes locked up.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Ram Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare. So we'll meet tomorrow, and same time 11 o'clock we'll meet, and please read again 19. We are all focusing on 19 and 28, 29, 30, those modules. Once you get this tasking pleasure, then attention is completely locked up. Enjoy your japa tomorrow, your association, relish your association with the Nama Prabhu tomorrow. Delightfully welcome him tomorrow, your 16 rounds. Hare Krishna. And enthusiastically task.